Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are showing you some cordless wireless chargers. So what's nice about these, no longer sticking your USB plug in and out, your Type-C in and out. Show you guys what you get. So this is a 3-pack. So just like that. It is rotatable, up, down, different positions. Go ahead, you get the connections at different ends. So looks like they provide you with Type-C ends, ends for Apple phones and Apple devices, micro ends. So pretty much you got an end for all the devices that you need. So how this works is very simple. You take this, take your phone. So we have a Type-C. You plug this into your phone just like that. And now you plug that into any USB port that you want. Fully rotatable, 360 degrees. Left, right, side, up, down. And it's that simple. Pops right off when you want to take your phone. So kind of as an example, what you do, you would have this plugged into something with a USB. That just plugs right in, and as you heard the charge, as you can see, it's charging. And it's that simple. Very simple, very nice. Very nice group and very nice pack. Going to allow us to have it at our bedside, in our office, and downstairs.